Charles Show. Welcome to Meet Charles Show. I am taking you to USA to speak to one gentleman in USA, Massachusetts. He's from Ghana and he calls himself Coco Rabba. Who is Coco Rabba and what is the story behind this Coco Rabba? Welcome to the show, my brother.
Thank you very much, Mr. Charles.
Who is Coco Rabba? Coco Danabe.
Coco Danabe.
I used to see this on Facebook. Are you still writing stories about Coco Rabba? And if so, who is Coco Rabba, who is now in US of A?
Thank you very much. As the name goes, Coco Rabba and Coco Danabe in my local dialect means porridge seller's, child, or if I should put it, son. I grew up from a home where my mother brew porridge and sold to the local indigenes where I schooled at the basic school, that's our Teachman. That was what basically the family was living on, because my father was a subsistence farmer where he actually do not make enough from the farm work. So basically we're all actually surviving on this porridge business. And from the north where I come from, my father had 2 wives, and we all actually depended on this porridge selling, to survive. So with the little porridge selling from my mother, she was able to push me to the senior high school. Then after the senior high school, I saw that there was a kind of pressure on this woman. So that is where I have to go into teaching, and then actually proceeded to the university, where I had to do odd jobs to pay my school fees. So seeing myself in the USA, comparing myself where I came from, I just adopted that, okay, why not let me tell a story that Coco Rabba one day, I'm not putting Coco Rabba as say anyone mother should sell porridge, but anywhere anyone is. Whatever your parents are doing, but if you push further, if Coco Rabba has come to the USA to study, then if your father is, let's say, into any other thing, or your mother is into any other thing, you can equally come to the USA. So that is why the story or the name Coco Rabba in the USA.
Coco Rabba is in USA. What has been your major culture shock?
Yeah. Thank you very much. This question, I think when I came in the 4th semester, I was actually in class. I went to class late. Then I saw that someone who was also late came in with a very short, I call it panty, entering the class. And the lecturer actually did not say anything. I was like,
come again.
The right class?
Like somebody, come again. Somebody entered the class with what?
Yeah, very short skirt. So this lecturer, wouldn't he drive this lady away? But she came and sat down. We had a lecture. She contributed. When we went out for break, I saw that she was not the only one. Everybody was wearing that same. I said, okay, let me take it like that. Because if it was Ghana, the lecturer would have stopped you at the entrance before you even enter. But here, everything is okay. So I actually learned that, okay, it is good in this kind of the world. You have to live with all manner of people. The dressing and all that is not an issue here. It's just that what you need to come and do it and go. Don't complain too much, because everybody, almost everybody has, a culture, and we should respect that as much. Thank you.
What would be your final submission? Coco Rabba story, your motivation to travel, your experience so far in America, and what you think can be done back home. What is your final submission?
Okay, thank you very much. So basically what I will tell my colleagues who are also trying to pursue such a dream is that it is something doable. Whatever you are doing in Ghana, whatever course you are studying, try to, work hard and get a very good GPA. Normally when you have a good GPA, you can stand a chance of getting a fully funded scholarship. Personally, I didn't come with a fully funded scholarship, but I think it's okay. I met colleagues who had, 100% scholarship and they are doing well. So if you, whatever course you are doing, put much energy and get a very good class. And when you come here, everything will be good.
Thank you for coming on Meet Child Show.
Thank you very much.
And
I also thank you very much for this platform given to me. I think you are one of my motivators, not this show alone. I've been watching your shows, and when you knew that I was in the US, in fact, you came looking for me, got to know where I live and all that. And I'm very, very grateful for that. Thank you very much.
you're
For this
welcome.
platform.
You're welcome,
Yeah.
my brother. We have to help each other. We interdepend on each other on this planet. Thank you for this time.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye.
Dear viewer, kindly like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos.